Pelvic floor exercise of the week. You're going to think about the tailbone where your sacrum is and your coccyx right at the very bottom of the sacrum, your pubic bone right at the front. It's exactly the same for ladies and gents. Ladies, you've got 3 exits between the legs because we're luckier. Gentlemen, you've only got 2 exits between the legs. But for gentlemen, I want you to think about using the centre passage because it will actually get you to get a stronger pelvic floor connection even though you've not got a centre passage. You can do this exercise lying down, sat down, you can do it stood up. We're trying it stood up, which is a little bit harder because of gravity. So think of drawing the coccyx towards the pubic bone. So you're drawing up from the coccyx upwards towards the pubic bone and let it release. Do that without moving the spine. Try and make sure that you're holding the position for a few seconds as you draw up towards the front, then release from the front, centre and back. So you're just breathing normally. Spine stays in its nice neutral position. Go from the coccyx towards the pubic bone. Then release from the pubic bone right towards the coccyx. Same exercise, just a different way of thinking about it. Draw up from back passage, ladies and gents. Draw up from centre passage. Gentlemen, you've not got one, but imagine you have. Now lift up stronger from the front. And let it release. Front, centre, back. Do it again, breathing normally. So we've done the first few exercises without a strong contraction. Now I really want you to draw up back, centre, front. Feel as if you're making that connection harder and let it go. Front, centre, back. Okay. Remember, you're doing pelvic floor exercises. Keep going as I'm talking to you. You do them lying down, you do them sat down, you do them stood up. Doing a variety of different exercises, but that's this week's exercise. Try and do between about 30 to 50 a day. Not all of that exercise, but that's this week's.